Hey guys, it's Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsey. Today we're going to be tackling milk paint. You're going to learn all the ins and outs. Hope you enjoy it. So this little piece is the one we're going to be working on today. We're going to be using Sweet Pickins milk paint, which you can find on our website at reclaimedbyramsey.com, and it is in the color Sweetie Jane. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Milk paint comes in a powdered form, and you literally just mix it 1-to-1 with some warm water, and you'll mix it up. Now this is just a sample package of paint, and I'm going to get a few projects out of this. So literally you're just going to, I try to use warm water, and then you can use a blender or like a immersion blender or a whisk or a fork, which is what I'm going to use here. And you just want to make sure that you get it good and mixed. And then I like to set mine aside for 5 or 10 minutes just to kind of let it coagulate, I guess would be a good way to say it. So it's time to paint. Now that the paint has been sitting, I am just going to use a small artist brush, and I am not putting any of the additive called Bond. It's a bonding agent that helps the paint stick to the furniture, because this piece was really pretty dry, I guess you would say. And the drier, the less sheen that something has, the better this paint sticks. And so I don't really think it needed any of the bonding agent in it, but it will sand so prettily, and it will get chippy and distressed, and it's going to look like it has been around for a very long time. So I hope you will stay tuned to the end and see how it turns out. So now I'm just going to get to sanding, and I'm just taking a piece of 220 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to hit all of the places that a chair or a bench or a table would normally wear, right around the edges, and I'm just going to sand it until it's smooth. You can already see that it's starting to chip, and it is going to look fabulous. Now that it's completely dry, I'm going to be putting on some dark oil wax, and we also sell this from Sweet Pickins on our website. And I'm just using a little throwaway chip brush, and I'm just going to paint it on. And then they say that you can leave it on for 10 or 15 minutes and then wipe it back, but I actually like the look of it to just pretty much immediately wipe it back. And so you just put it on, and then the longer you leave it on, the darker it will be. I didn't want it to be really dark. I just wanted it to kind of settle in to all the little crevices so that it just looks like it has been around for ages. And I think that we hit the mark with it. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you think. Oh my goodness, guys, look at all that chippy goodness. Oh, I just love this color. I love the wax that's on here, and it's so easy to use. Literally paint it on, wipe it off, and look, this piece looks like it has been around forever. I absolutely love it. Please let me know in the comments what you think of it.